Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel. Dear students of class 5th, today our topic is prime and composite numbers. So students, what are prime and composite numbers? Prime and composite numbers are actually natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural means all counting numbers beginning from 1. Counting numbers. 1 example, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity are all counting numbers. Rather we can say that natural numbers, all natural numbers or all counting numbers are classified into two main groups: prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers and composite numbers. Now students, let us first see what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers having only two factors. Having only two factors. Two factors. 1 and number itself. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे what is a factor. What is a factor? If a number divides another number completely or exactly without leaving any remainder. For example, मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, एक नंबर लेता हूँ 12. 12 is a dividend. इसको मैं 3 से डिवाइड करूँगा. 3 4s are 12. Here remainder is equal to 0. 3 divides 12 completely because remainder is equal to 0. Another example मैं लेता हूँ 14 नंबर में लेता हूँ 14. अगर हम इसको 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 3 4s are 12, remainder is not equal to 0, that is equal to 2. Therefore we can say that 3 ने 14 को exactly और completely divide नहीं किया. 3 is the factor of 12 because remainder is equal to 0. 3 is not the factor of 14 because the remainder is not equal to 0, that is equal to 2. Therefore factor is a number if a number divides another number exactly without leaving any remainder. Now prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers having only two factors. Only two factors, number 1 and itself, two factors. 1 and number itself. एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं एक एग्जाम्पल लेता हूँ 5 की. अगर हम 5 को चेक करेंगे वेदर इट इज अ प्राइम नंबर. 1 इसके फैक्टर्स 1 into 5 is equal to 5, तो दूसरा होगा 5 into 1 is equal to 5. अब 5 के दो फैक्टर्स हमारे पास आ गए क्योंकि 1 से इसको डिवाइड हुआ. 1 5s are 5. 1 से हर एक नंबर को डिवाइड होता है बिकॉज 1 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. दूसरा क्या हुआ, अपने आप से भी इसको मल्टीपल हुआ, 5 डिवाइड हुआ, 5 1s are 5. Because therefore prime numbers are the numbers having only two factors, 1 and number itself. Example, next example 7. इसको भी 1 से होगा और अपने आप से मीनिंग 7 से होगा. 1 7s are 7, 7 1s are 7. Therefore 7 is a prime number. 11 और एक एग्जांपल, इसको भी 1 से होगा because 1 is the factor of every number. 1 into 11 is equal to 11. 11 into 1 is 11 into 1 is equal to 11. Therefore हमें याद रखना है those numbers having only two factors, 1 and number itself. 31 की बात अगर हम करेंगे, इसके सिर्फ only two factors. 1 into 31 is equal to 31. 31 into 1 is equal to 31. अगर आप टेबल में चेक भी करोगे 31 आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा 1 के टेबल में और 31. Therefore 31 is a prime number क्योंकि इसके दो ही फैक्टर्स हैं. इसको 1 से डिवाइड होता और अपने आप से 31 से. Therefore numbers having two factors are called prime numbers. Next टॉपिक जो हमारा है is a composite numbers. All those numbers which are not prime numbers are called composite numbers. Or composite numbers are those numbers having more than two factors. More than two factors. All those numbers जिनके दो से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स होंगे. इसकी एग्जांपल हम लेंगे 6 की एग्जांपल अगर हम लेंगे, अगर हम 6 के फैक्टर्स चेक करेंगे, 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 6 1s are 6. दो फैक्टर्स इसके, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. इसका मतलब है इसके चार फैक्टर्स है. 1 6s are 6. 1 से भी हुआ, इसको 6 से भी हुआ, 2 से भी, 3 से भी. Therefore 6 के जो फैक्टर्स है more than two factors. Therefore 6 is a composite number. Another example 4 की अगर हम बात करेंगे 1 into 4 is equal to 4, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. इसके भी more than 2 factors, therefore 4 is also a composite numbers. अब हमें क्या याद रखना है, composite numbers are the numbers having more than 2 factors, जिसके ज्यादा factors होंगे, 2 से ज्यादा factors होंगे, those are called composite numbers. Prime numbers only having 2 factors, one and number itself. Composite numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Now students, अगर मैं यहाँ कुछ numbers लिखूं, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let us talk about 1. अब हम इसके फैक्टर्स चेक करें, 1 के कितने फैक्टर्स हैं. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. इसका एक ही फैक्टर है, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Therefore it is, ये ना प्राइम ग्रुप में आता है ना कंपोजिट ग्रुप में आता है. Therefore we can say that 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number, क्योंकि ना इसके दो फैक्टर्स ना दो से ज्यादा है, क्योंकि इसके only it has only one factor. अब हम 2 की बात करेंगे. 2 के कितने फैक्टर्स हैं? 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. इसके 2 factors हैं. Therefore 2 is a prime number, or we can say that 2 is the smallest prime number, क्योंकि 1 इससे पहले 1 था, that was not prime number nor composite number. इसके बाद हमारे पास जो नंबर आया 2, चेक करने के बाद हमारे पास आया ये प्राइम नंबर. Therefore it is a, इसके 2 factors है, therefore it is the smallest prime number. 3 is also a prime number, क्योंकि 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3, इसके भी 2 फैक्टर्स हैं. अगर हम 4 की बात करेंगे, 1 into 4 is equal to 4, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. इसके more than 2 factors, 3 factors है इसके. Therefore it is a composite number, or we can say that it is the smallest composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number, 4 is the smallest composite number. 5 is also a prime number. 1 5s are 5, 5 1s are 5. अब 6 composite number, क्योंकि इसको 2 से डिवाइड होगा, therefore it is a composite number. It is a prime number. 1 7s are 7, 7 1s are 7, prime number. अगर हम इन नंबर्स की बात करेंगे, अब मेरे पास नंबर है 3 5 or 7. These 3 numbers are prime numbers. अगर हम यहाँ चेक करें, the difference between 2 numbers, 5 minus 2 we get 2. Therefore those prime numbers जिनके बीच जिनका डिफरेंस क्या होगा 2, those numbers are called twin primes. अगर हम यहाँ भी चेक करेंगे, twin 7 minus 2, the difference between them is 2. Therefore 7 and 5 are twin primes. 31 and 29 are 2 prime numbers. The difference between them is 2. Therefore these 2 numbers are called twin primes. Twin primes वो numbers होते हैं जिनका difference 2 होगा, जिनका difference क्या होगा 2. और we can say that twin primes are the numbers जिनके बीच में एक composite number होगा. यहाँ अगर हम बात करेंगे 5 और 7, these are 2 prime, difference between them is 2. Therefore these are 2 twin primes. और अगर हम चेक भी करेंगे, इनके बीच में एक composite number आता है. Therefore those numbers जिनके बीच में एक composite number है, those primes जिनके बीच में एक composite है, उन numbers को कहेंगे हम twin primes. और इनका difference अगर हम चेक करेंगे, we get 2. Therefore 5 and 7 are 2 twin prime numbers. Thank you.